In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Agile project management in Wrike. Whether you're new to Agile or just looking to streamline your process, Wrike provides an efficient workspace to keep your projects on track and your team coordinated. Let's dive into the steps and explore how to navigate this powerful tool effectively. First, let's get you into your Wrike workspace. Begin by going to your personal section in Wrike. This is your main dashboard where you can access all the essentials and start organizing your Agile projects. Once you're in your workspace, direct your attention to the top corner of your screen where you will find your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will lead you to a drop-down menu featuring various options you can customize to enhance your Wrike experience. After you've clicked on your profile icon, the next step involves navigating to Templates and Solutions. Clicking this option opens a plethora of project management tools designed to suit different needs and project types. These templates are particularly helpful as they come pre-configured with industry best practices, allowing you and your team to hit the ground running without starting from scratch every time. Now, let's narrow down our focus to Agile methodologies. In the search bar, type in Agile. This will display a list of options tailored for Agile management, ensuring that you find exactly what you're looking for. The key here is to select tools that align with your team's workflow to ensure a smooth and cohesive project management experience. The recommended next step is to select the Wrike's Team Agile Development micro solution from the options presented. This micro solution is specifically crafted to help development teams eliminate chaos and accelerate delivery. The magic lies in moving from scattered tools and spreadsheets to a single, structured workspace. Selecting this option will take you into an inviting interface where tasks can be easily managed and monitored. This centralized request and task tracking capability is crucial. By bringing everything under one roof, you promote better project visibility and team collaboration. Your team can stay informed about project timelines, resource availability, and project scope changes more effortlessly than ever before. As you navigate through these steps, remember that the goal is to streamline your processes and make it easier for everyone involved to keep up with project demands. Wrike's Agile module is designed to eliminate unnecessary complexity, giving you more time to focus on what really matters, delivering top-notch projects on time. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to mastering Agile project management with Wrike. Thank you for joining me today, and make sure to check back for more helpful tips and tutorials. Happy project managing!